There are rare cars. There are beautiful cars. And then there's the Citroën SM, a machine that dares to challenge everything you think you know about automotive design, engineering, and elegance. Right now, an impressively restored 1973 Citroën SM has surfaced on Bring a Trailer, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. If you're a fan of innovation wrapped in timeless style, this might be the most exciting auction of the month. The SM isn't just some obscure European classic. It's the result of Citroën's bold vision, paired with Maserati's high-revving soul. This 1973 model carries a Maserati-sourced 2.7L V6 front-wheel drive and one of the most advanced hydropneumatic suspension systems ever engineered, all wrapped in a design that looks like it belongs on the runway, not just the road. This car was built to cruise effortlessly at high speeds, handle like a dream, and make a statement every time it rolled into view. It wasn't just ahead of its time. It still feels ahead of ours. The Citroën SM on Bring a Trailer isn't just preserved, it's meticulously restored. We're talking a full cosmetic and mechanical overhaul, with a level of detail that reflects a true passion for this unique Grand Tourer. Fresh paint in a rich period-correct tone, completely refurbished interior with original-style upholstery, and extensive work under the hood make this one of the most complete and desirable SMs on the market today. The seller has documented the process with care, and the photos tell a story of dedication to authenticity. Driving an SM is not like driving any other classic car. The steering is razor-sharp with self-centering magic. The ride is cloud-like thanks to Citroën's legendary suspension, and the V6 delivers smooth, satisfying power. It was one of the most technically advanced cars of its era, and in many ways, it still is. The SM wasn't just built to be admired. It was built to be driven, and this particular example has been restored to do just that. With confidence, Bring a Trailer has become the place for enthusiasts to discover and acquire automotive legends, and this 1973 SM is a perfect example of why. The community is engaged, the bidding is competitive, and listings like this remind us how powerful digital auctions have become in preserving car culture. As the bids climb, so does the excitement. This isn't just a chance to buy a car. It's an opportunity to own a piece of rolling sculpture with real historical significance. The 1973 Citroën SM is more than a car. It's a blend of design, engineering, and vision that few vehicles can match. This restored example is a rare opportunity to experience something truly exceptional, and it's available right now, for a limited time, on Bring a Trailer. Whether you're bidding, watching, or just daydreaming, this is the kind of listing that reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. Subscribe to MotorHub 1003 for more rare finds, auction highlights, and stories from the world of classic and collectible cars. Because moments like these aren't just about buying cars, they're about celebrating the art of driving.